Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to make latex tables online. So here you can see I have made a complicated table where the color combinations are shown and some data are bold, and I want that same formatting should appear in latex. So what I will do, I will go to the Internet Explorer and I will type latex uh, table generator tool. Okay, this is latex table generator tool which is coming out over here. So already some tables are actually here. Now what I will do, I will copy this particular table from here. Let me copy it. So I am copying it. Now go to the file option and paste the table data in this. So when you are pasting the table data in this, it will give you the option that paste with formatting colors and tools. So I will do this. Now if you want all lines, you can click it over here and all the formatting options are available with the colors. Okay, so if you want to align these entries to the center, you can do. If you want to do is towards the left center, you can do. If you want to do towards right center, you can also do. So I kept over here the center alignment. Now let me generate this. Now this particular table is generated. Now what I will do, I will copy it from here. Control C, and I am having one latex table open over here. So let me paste this particular table into this particular file, in this particular file where I want to paste it. So let me paste it over here and let us see what is happening. So when I run this, this table is coming out to be here in the particular formatting. So what you can do here, you can reduce the size of the table. So what commands you can apply? There are some commands by which you can reduce the size of the table. So let me apply this. I will take this renew command, and array stretch command is also there. So this is renew command, array stretch, and the same I can apply it in the table, and you will see that the size of the table can be reduced. So that I will be discussing in our second tutorial, and this is how you can actually paste you can make any table and you can paste it in your LaTeX document.